This is how to put a saw blade or one of these, I forget what you call these things. What kind of saw is this? Honey? So it just sets in there like that. You see, and it's got a trigger that puts tension on it. So I got it set in here. It's got a little nodule on there it's got to get on. Little nodule there. And then you put it on this little nodule here. See, the tension's loose here, and all I do is just pull it. Now the tension's on it, and you got a saw ready to go. That's how you change a band on a bandsaw. Or not a bandsaw, what is this called?
Hacksaw.
A hacksaw. This is how you change the band on a hacksaw. So anyway, let me just reiterate. All right, so all of a sudden this comes off. Well, what you gotta do is you gotta get it on this little thing over here. Well, we can put it on this one. And then you're gonna put it on this one here. And you're going to push it down, and then this is loose here. Now you can tighten it right here if you want to make more tension on it. You can just righty-tighty, lefty-loosey that. But then when you pull that, what that does is it makes it nice and tense. And that's how you do a hacksaw. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.